Hello guys, this is Umesh and welcome to my YouTube channel again. So now I am in Nikko and the place is very nice. It's not too crowded. It's like a peaceful place. It's not like Tokyo because Tokyo is very crowded and very noise, I think, than this Nikko. So I love the place Nikko. It's very nice. Now we are going to visit Nikko National Park, especially the waterfall and lake. And I heard that the waterfall and the lake are so beautiful. I will show you. But the way to get up there was very complicated. But the view is very nice, very pretty because of the snow and naked trees. As you can see on the map, the route is really complicated to go up there. And now I'm here up there. The place is very cool. I love it. And at first I'm going to visit waterfall and after that lake, and I'll show you waterfall. I think it's very nice because waterfall everybody likes waterfall. So I'll show you. And snow maybe it is last snow for this year. And now you can see the waterfall. It's really beautiful and amazing. I was also taking video from the camera. So now you can see there is a very nice waterfall. It's amazing. It's really beautiful. Everywhere is snow and there is a waterfall is very nice. We saw the waterfall already. It was so beautiful. And now I'm going to visit the lake. I heard the lake is very nice. It's beautiful. So let's see. When I visit the lake, I love the view so much because the reflection of the sun on the lake was so beautiful and adorable. When I see the view of the reflection of the sun on the lake, I enjoyed so much and took some photos of that and back from there. We spent a few hours there to see the waterfall and the lake and took some photos and videos of the lake and waterfall. Then we are going home to Tokyo because the distance from Nikko to Tokyo takes more than 2 hours. And the way we see the sunset, it was very beautiful.